Welcome back to CabinetParts.com. In this video, we will showcase our value line Undermount soft closing drawer slides. These quality slides are zinc-coated steel with a 75-pound load rating and can be installed in either framed or frameless cabinets with our included rear mounting brackets. Our value line slides will accommodate a maximum drawer thickness of 5/8 of an inch and can be installed in any overlay, inset, or rollout tray applications. 6-way adjustable locking devices will allow you total adjustment freedom with a vertical, horizontal, and even depth adjustment for inset applications. To calculate your standard drawer box size, use the helpful PDF text sheet. First, measure the interior of the space opening. Next, subtract 42 millimeters or about 1 5/8 of an inch. That is the interior dimension of your drawer box. The length of your sides will be nominal to the slide length. 21-inch slides will require 21-inch sides, and so on. Now your drawers will require to be notched and bored with a small 1/4 inch hole about 3/8 of an inch deep. Finally, let's attach the locking devices to the front underside of the drawer with some number 7 by 5/8 flathead screws. Now that your drawer is ready, let's attach the runners. For frameless cabinets, simply start by marking your height on each side with a pencil. Next, measure over 10 millimeters or 3/8 of an inch from the front edge. That is the front screw hole location. Use a square to draw a perpendicular line. Now use your Vicks bit to pre-drill your holes and attach the runner with some number 7 by 5/8 flathead screws to your cabinet. With the runners installed, let's simply slide the drawer into place and click. It's in. For a framed cabinet application, use your text sheet to mark the location for the rear mounting brackets and secure them with some screws. Next, slide the rear portion of the slide into the tabs and push the slide a little past flush with the front of the face frame. Use a number 7 by 5/8 screw and secure the slides to the frame. With the runners installed, let's simply slide the drawer into place and click. It's in. To remove your drawer with ease, simply depress both blue handles at the same time and pull the drawer out. You can easily adjust your drawers with the fine-tuned adjustments on the locking devices. To adjust your drawer up and down, simply slide this tab in and out. To adjust your drawer left or right, simply rotate this wheel back and forth. Finally, to adjust your drawer in and out for an inset application, simply rotate this wheel back and forth. Don't forget to check out our beautiful do-it-yourself drawer boxes, handcrafted, solid wood, dovetail drawers, shipped directly to you.